आज हमारे लिए बड़ा हर्ष का विषय है कि हम जो डॉक्टर सीवी रमन के नाम से साइंस डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, तो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी हरियाणा की तरफ से हमें ग्रांट दिया गया था हरियाणा सरकार ने। उसके संदर्भ में हमने चिमेरा आज हमने ये प्रोग्राम रखा है, जिसका मतलब होता है मॉडिफाइड जेनेटिकली एक एनिमल्स है। तो आज के हमारे जो कंपटीशन थे, 3 तरह के कंपटीशन थे। फर्स्ट हमारा पोस्टर मेकिंग कंपटीशन एंड एसे राइटिंग कंपटीशन एंड मॉक पार्लियामेंट। जो पोस्टर मेकिंग कंपटीशन है उसमें हमने 3 थीम रखे हैं। जेनेटिकली जो हमारे क्लोनिंग, जीन क्लोनिंग है, और डिजाइनिंग ऑफ द प्लांट्स हैं, और उसके बाद हमारे रिस्क मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द प्लांट्स। और थर्ड जो हमारा टॉपिक हमने एसे राइटिंग कंपटीशन जो सेकंड टॉपिक रखे हैं, उसके अंदर भी हमने रिस्क मैनेजमेंट है, फूड सिक्योरिटी है, और थर्ड हमारा मॉक पार्लियामेंट है, जिसमें कि मॉडिफाइड क्रॉप्स हैं। जो कंपटीशन है उसमें हमने बहुत ही अच्छे जजेस हैं डिफरेंट, वो उनको हमने इनवाइट किया है, और लगभग पूरे सिरसा से और फतेहाबाद से, हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी चौधरी देवलाल से लगभग 112 बच्चे डिफरेंट 14 कॉलेजेस से जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया है। और ये हम आगे भी इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे। और डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी को मैं अगेन थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने इस तरह की हमें ग्रांट दे करके इस तरह के प्रोग्रामों को प्रमोट करते हैं। और जेसीडी भी हमेशा इस तरह के प्रोग्राम के लिए हमेशा बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लेता है। और सभी स्टूडेंट्स को मैं बधाइयाँ देता हूँ, जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने हिस्सा लिया और जिन स्टूडेंट्स के हमने फर्स्ट सेकंड प्राइज़ रखे हैं, वो हमने यहाँ पे अभी उनका वितरण होगा। आज के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट के हेड प्रोफेसर राजकुमार सलाड को हमने इनवाइट किया है। थैंक यू।
Basically, genetically modified crops, they are the future of the world. Genetically modified crops, they are very much beneficial because the genetically modified crops, they can lower the consumption of pesticides. They can increase the yield of the crops. Whatever the crop we are using, the yield of the crop can be increased. And for example, we have the cotton. Cotton is the crop which is consuming lot of pesticides, and I think the maximum pesticides they are being consumed in cotton crop alone. At the same time, BT brinjal is also the new crop which is coming very soon. And in India, the farmers they have accepted BT cotton, and this is being grown in large area, which has not only reduced the pesticide consumption, but it has also increased the awareness about the BT crops, and it has modified and increased the health of our environment, because the pesticides they are polluting our environment, and if the environment is polluted, then it has got a large of a number of impacts on our body. It may cause several diseases including cancer, and if these crops they are used, then we can certainly lower the consumption of pesticides. So BT crops they are very useful for our society and for our population.
Do you think genetically modified crops and natural or organic crops can coexist?
Yes, definitely they can coexist, because they don't have any impact. The genetically modified crops they don't have any impact on the organic crops, and along with that, the organic crops they can be grown, because the genetically modified crops they are not going to affect any microflora which is present in the soil, which is increasing the fertility. So organic crops they can be grown along with the genetically modified crops, and genetically modified crops they don't have any impact on the soil itself. So
मैं अभी मेमोरियल कॉलेज में हूँ। हाँ बस इधर एक बार ये डिसीजन का वो कर देते इधर पोस्टर वगैरह का ना, आ जाओ एक बार इधर। हाँ वहाँ जाओ एक बार, यहाँ से चलता है। हाँ 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 मेन अंदर से ही आ जाओ, दोनों दरवाजे खुले हैं। हाँ दोनों। अप्लाइड एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर, इसमें क्या है? न्यू मॉडर्न टेक्निक्स अप्लाइड एस्पेक्ट्स, इसको आप कर दो जीन कॉलोनी की एक साइड पे।
और जो मैसेज दे रहे हो मैसेज बिल्कुल क्लियर।
To start the program, I request Principal Dr. Jayaprakash Hooda, JCD Memorial College, to escort worthy chief guest on the stage for lamp lighting ceremony.
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी CDLU सिरसा, श्री शंकर जी पेंटर, रिनाउंड पेंटर ऑफ द सिरसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, डॉक्टर पंडिता, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर GCD फार्मेसी कॉलेज, different principals of the different colleges of the JCD Vidyapith. Or how many students know the meaning of the chimera? Because all the students they are from science side, so there is a meaning of the chimera. मुख्य अतिथि महोदय हमारे बीच आए हैं, मैं हृदय दिल से उनका JCD पहुंचने पर हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं।
This inter-college meet aims to bring closer various science students of 43 colleges affiliated to Chaudhary Devilal University Sirsa in all constituent colleges of JCD Vidyapith with the motto to discover innovative scientific ideas based on the theme genetically modified crop and food security. The theme has been subdivided into further categories.
हमारे लिए काफी हार्मफुल होता है, क्योंकि नहीं पता कि लोगों का इस पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है। वो सिर्फ देख रहे कि हम कितना कमा रहे हैं। सो फूड से सब कुछ हुआ है।
चाहूँगा कि आज लगभग एक जो किला होता है, एक लैंड का एरिया होता है, उसके अंदर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50 क्विंटल वीट हो जाती है। 1960 के अंदर ये लगभग अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5 to 10 क्विंटल थी ओनली वीट एक किले के अंदर।
नहीं हमारी बॉडी में डालते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी उसको एक्सेप्ट करने में टाइम लेती है।
आगे अगर हम ले लेते हैं तो 1.5 किलो जो बच गया वो कंपनसेट कर लेगा हमारी पॉपुलेशन जो।
First question I would like to ask to the ruling party. You have talked about tomato. Is it a genetically modified crop? Thank you. The opposition party. Is that you have been speaking about the other side of the genetically modified crops? I would like to ask you how many crops, genetically modified crops, have been released in India?
Is for ruling party. You were talking about food vaccines and you were talking about potato and like food vaccine for babies. They are giving it in banana. My question was, if you put calcium in banana, how you will calculate the dose of calcium in the banana? You नहीं लेगा।
क्यों मैम, बेबी क्यों नहीं लेगा? बेबी को हम देंगे।
जबरदस्ती दोगे?
जबरदस्ती कौन कह रहा है? हम जबरदस्ती नहीं देंगे।
Europe is completely against of this genetically modified crop. European Federation of Agriculture Society, they have opinions against it, and
It was a very good exercise, and I think to promote science and biotechnology in large, we should organize such kind of competitions. There was a statement given by Jimmy Carter. He said that responsible biotechnology is not the enemy, but hunger is. I think you understand the meaning of this. Because we can do wonders with science. On the contrary, we can do havoc with science. Science is our friend as well as foe. It depends on the way you use science. So if we use biotechnology in a responsible manner, it can eradicate hunger. I am little bit inclined towards in the favor of genetically modified crops, because the genetically modified crops, you can save lot of money with the use of genetically modified crops. You can also save environment. If you go through the survey, statistical survey of the agriculture department, even I am talking of Haryana, Sirsa is the district which tops in the use of pesticides. 750 tons of pesticides are being used only in Sirsa. We are also getting these pesticides in our food. But when you are spraying pesticides in cotton, these pesticides, they are recalcitrant, they remain in the soil, and the following crops, say for example after cotton you will grow wheat. Wheat will take up these pesticides, and these pesticides, they will be expressed in your wheat, and you are using wheat. So in a food chain, we are increasing the load of these pesticides in our body. It's known as Benzopyrene. So we are not basically 9 or 2010 survey which stated that there are 730 or 50 tons of pesticides which are being sprayed alone in Sirsa district. And after that, the district which comes after that is using only 400 or about 300 tons of pesticides. So why we are topping in this pesticide consumption? Because of the growth of, because here the crop is grown is cotton, and these pesticides now the consumption of I don't know, BT is what? Bacillus thuringiensis. So initially there was a resistance by the people to accept the this BT cotton, but now I think Man Sahab is a very progressive farmer also. Now there is a huge queue for fetching the seed of BT cotton. Words, I thank you very much for inviting me to this function, and I feel very happy in the company of the future scientists. Thank you very much.
Please say a few words.
We have some future scientists here. So I just want to give them some points. You must be doing some masters, some of you might be doing graduation, and you'll be going for research in future. So I just want you to, when you talk about science, you should talk about facts. And you should, change is a thing which is always there. And thank you very much with this. All the best to all the students who are present here for the future. Thank you.
So now it is the time to know your results. Without taking your much time, I request for the chief guest, principal sir, and all the judges to please come on the stage for prize distribution ceremony. Vinita Yadav from Government National College. Third prize goes to Divya from Government National College.
सबसे पहले मैं थैंक्स करना चाहता हूँ प्रिंसिपल सर को, जिन्होंने इस इवेंट के लिए बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया और सक्सेसफुली इसे ऑर्गेनाइज करने में अपना पूरा योगदान दिया।